Kaya mga ka-Thrivers, ka-Uniteam, no, kapatid, kabalitaan, kakampi, congratulations po. Dahil nandito kayo ngayon, no? Dahil ginagamit ninyo yung time ninyo sa mga may kabuluhang bagay at ginagamit ninyo yung time ninyo to grow your financial outlook in life, no? My name is Anton Sebastian. I'll be your host today together with our presenter na napaka-pogi, at napaka-gorgeous, no? Kaya naman makinig po tayong mabuti. Buksan po natin ang ating isip at padaluin po natin yung mga impormasyon na inyong maririnig. Isulat po natin ito kung kinakailangan at ang maganda po dito, pasalamatan din po natin yung mga taong nag-imbita sa atin dito sa ating amazing business opportunity. Ano po? Ngayon po, no? Papakilala ko na po sa inyo ang ating presenter of all time. No? I'm super excited, syempre, and honored to be a part of this webinar na makasama ko siya hand in hand dito sa ating negosyo. Extraordinary leader with a good heart. No? Ipapakilala niyo po mamaya ang kanyang sarili, an entrepreneur, a loving father, a great provider po, no? A leader with a good heart. Lagi nating sinasabi, no? Sorry po. Please help me in welcoming the presenter of all time, Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. The screen is yours, Sir Paul. Take it away.
Maraming salamat, Coach Anton Sebastiano. It's always a pleasure and honor to be presenting this exciting business opportunity na kasama ka. No? Parang para tayong
mutual admiration.
Para tayong Dolphy and Panchito.
Ayun.
Star Sun and Chitae. Parang tayo, putot dinuguan, no? Pagka nawala yung isa, parang hindi kumpleto, no? Parang hindi kumpleto yung energy natin, di ba? Anyway, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for joining us today sa ating digital business presentation for today, no? Whatever your reasons are, kung kayo man ay naimbita o kayo ay naghahanap ng bagong opportunity o bagong challenge sa buhay, kayo'y sawang-sawa na, no, sa mga kasalukuyan yung ginagawa. Sa mga routine natin, nagigising tayo sa umaga, tapos papasok sa trabaho, uuwi ng bahay, kain lang, tapos konting nood ng TV, tapos tulog, tapos gising na naman sa umaga, pasok sa trabaho, tapos balik na naman sa bahay, pasok na naman kinabukasan, no? Para nagsasawa na tayo sa ganung routine, no? Pero wala tayong magawa but to do it dahil kailangan natin kumita ng pera, no? So, ano man ang dahilan nyo kung bakit kayo nandito, we will make sure that after this presentation, you will have something to be excited about, something to look forward to, something that you can use as an instrument para matupad nyo yung mga natutulog nyo ng mga pangarap. Yung mga pangarap na akala nyo ay hindi nyo na maaabot. No? Kaya gusto ko po makinig kayong mabuti, panoorin at pakinggan ang bawat sasabihin ko. Ayokong mag-miss out kayo sa any critical information that will make you not understand the potential of this business opportunity. No? Malay nyo, ito na pala yung opportunity na matagal nyo nang hinihintay at pinagdadasal. Di ba? Before anything else, I'd like to properly introduce myself. Ako po isang nurse by profession, was been working here in the UK, in London, as a charge nurse for more than 23 years na. No? 2000 po, nung una akong tumuntong dito sa UK. Of course, katulad ng ibang OFW natin, we are looking for a greener pasture, no? Pero I discovered nung first 5 years ko habang nagtatrabaho ko bilang nurse, parang hindi pa rin sapat, no? Parang lumipat na ako ng London pero ganun pa rin yung gastos, ganun pa rin yung mga financial struggles, no? So ang ginawa ko, naghanap na naman ako ng mga side opportunity, no? Naging naging financial advisor ako, nagbebenta ako ng mga insurance, no? Life insurance, critical life insurance, home insurance, no? Name it, and nasa portfolio natin yan, di ba? And then later on, nung medyo nakaipon tayo ng pera, naglakas loob tayo na mag-venture into a franchise business, no? Parang Jollibee dyan, McDonald's sa Pilipinas. Pero dito, yung sushi business naman, yung franchise ko dito, no? This is the #1 and biggest sushi chain in Europe. Basically, ang tawag sa kanya, Sushi Daily. So, I owned that franchise for 3 years until until dumating yung pandemic natin in 2020, no? Napilitan tayong isara yung franchise business dahil I could not physically manage it dahil nag-kidney transplant po ako and very prone tayo sa mga infection, so hindi ako pwedeng hindi ko siya ma-physically manage. So wala akong nagawa kahit kumikita yung negosyo, I had to close it. Hindi ko na po ni-renew yung franchise niya, no? So and then blessing in disguise, no? Bago ko isarado yung franchise business ko, nakilala ko tong C1 business na to through an invitation from a friend of mine from the Philippines. Nung una, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Baka naman scam yan, no? Very reluctant ako because I have been into siguro a couple of the same similar business, no? So sabi ko parang hindi timing, no? Pandemic, COVID, no? Parang hindi naglalabasan yung mga tao, nakakulong lahat. So paano tayo magne-negosyo at this point in time, di ba? Yung negosyo pa involves talking to people, di ba? So nung una sinarado ko yung isip ko. Pero sa kakakulit sa akin ng kaibigan ko, no? I gave in, sabi ko kaibigan ko to, komportable naman yung buhay niya, maganda nga yung buhay niya, no? Medyo meron na siyang financial freedom. So bakit nga ba hindi ko pagbigyan yung invitation, no? So what I did, katulad nyo, no, nakinig ako ng webinar katulad nito, I was on that end, nakikinig ako, pinakinggan ko yung speaker, no, hanggang mga 1 hour yata yun, no? And at the end, na-realize ko na oo nga, no, feasible nga tong negosyo na to, no? This is something na pwedeng gawin at the comfort of your own home. Yun yung kagandahan na during the pandemic, while I was on isolation, pwede palang gawin itong klaseng negosyo na to, no? Kaya hindi na po ako nagpatumpik-tumpik. I decided to jump in. Anyway, wala namang mawawala sa akin. Napaka-affordable naman yung kailangan para masimulan yung negosyo. Unlike if you start a traditional business na kailangan mo ng napakalaking kapital, no? Dito napakaliit lang, no? But the potential to make a lot of money is even more than the potential of earning a lot of money in a traditional business. Mas malaki yung potential dito, di ba? So, true enough, no? After 1 week lang, kumikita na ako sa negosyo. Tapos ngayon, 3.5 years na ako sa negosyo. I'm now a director 1-star, no? And I want you to achieve that kind of success din dito sa negosyo. Kaya natin sinashare sa inyo itong business opportunity na to. Okay? So again, welcome. Nabanggit ni Sir Anton kanina, no, yung importansya nung oras at pera sa buhay ng tao, no? Sino man nagsasabi na hindi importante sa inyo yung pera at oras, no? We will call you hypocrites, di ba? Kasi napaka-importante yan sa buhay ng tao. We're not talking about spirituality here, pero yung money and time is very, very essential sa buhay ng tao. Without it, no, walang kakainin yung pamilya mo. Without it, no, wala kang mapupuntahan, di ba? So napaka-importante po yan. Yung money and time, yan pong yung dalawang importanteng bagay dun sa tinatawag nating financial freedom, no? Ano nga ba yung financial freedom? Other people would say na ang financial freedom ma-achieve mo lang pag retired ka na, di ba? Kaya ano ba yung retirement age natin pagdating mo na 65? Ngayon nga, tinataas pa nila to 67, yung iba 75 years old pa, no? So paano ka pa makakaramdam ng financial freedom by that time? At karamihan sa pamilya mo na nagtrabaho ng 30 to 40 years hanggang 65 to 75 years old, meron ba silang financial freedom? Do they even have enough money to live beyond retirement? Di ba yung karamihan sa kanila, nanghihingi pa rin doon sa mga kamag-anak na may kaya, di ba? So, if that is the case, then why are you following that path? Bakit sinusundan mo kung ano yung ginawa nila, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ganun din ang magiging ending mo, di ba? So, kailangan mag-isip tayo, buksan natin yung isipan natin kung gusto nating marating yung financial freedom. Kung gusto nating makawala doon sa trabaho na hate nating gawin. Kung gusto nating makain yung mga paborito nating pagkain, yung mga masasarap, no? Yung bang kakain ka sa restaurant, hindi ka titingin doon sa kanang bahagi ng menu, no? Ang titignan mo lang yung kaliwa. If you know what I'm trying to drive at, pag pumupunta tayo ng restaurant, nag-struggle tayo financially, anong tinitignan natin? Yung kanang bahagi, kung magkano ba yung pagkain na yun, di ba? Pero ngayon, yung kaliwa lang, basta nakita mo, masarap yung pagkain, order tayo, di ba? Ganyan pagka may financial freedom. Shopping to the max, di ba? Ilang beses nakasama mo yung asawa mo, titingin ng mga magagandang damit, tapos pagbili sa'yo, sabi niya, ang ganda nitong damit, pwede mo bang bilhin? Tapos titignan mo yung tag ng damit, no? Makikita mo, napakamahal. Sasabihin mo asawa mo, ay, hindi maganda yan. Di ba? Pero maganda, kaya lang hindi mo afford. Nandyan din yung pakapagbakasyon tayo, no? With our family, spend time with our family, no? Imagine, Monday to Friday, nagtatrabaho tayo, no? Minsan, nag-overtime ka pa ng Saturday, no? So, ano pang oras ang maibibigay natin doon sa pamilya natin, di ba? Travel around the world, di ba? Sa Paris, sa Italy, saan pa, lahat ng gusto mong puntahan, pwede mong puntahan, no? Yung financial freedom, ibig sabihin niya, yung pwede kang gumising sa umaga tapos you decide to go to Hong Kong, to Japan, or to Korea, walang pipigil sa'yo. Yung financial freedom, yung walang magsasabi sa'yo kung anong oras ka iinom ng kape today, di ba? Coffee break, tea break, no? Yung walang magsasabi kung anong oras ka gigising sa umaga kasi kailangan mo pumasok ng trabaho. So, sino sa inyo yung gusto magkaroon ng financial freedom? Type 1 po dyan sa chat box natin. Definitely, sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi mo makukuha yan sa pagtatrabaho. Kahit sa abroad ka pa nagtatrabaho. Proven ko na po yan. Because sabi ko sarili ko, 5 years lang ako dito sa UK. Pero ngayon, umabot na ako ng 20 plus years, no? 20 plus years, no? Hindi pa rin natin na atin your current employment, no? Do you agree? So, eto na po, ibibigay ko na po sa inyo itong negosyo na to. Tinawag namin business for everyone dahil pwedeng gawin kahit ng sino. Hindi mo kailangan ng diploma or anything, no? To be able to do this opportunity. Pwede mong gawin kahit saan, pwede mong gawin kahit kailan. Hindi mo rin kailangan ng malaking kapital. Dito pwede kang kumita in euros, pwede kang kumita in the form of digital assets. Alam mo ba kung ano yung mga digital assets? Yung mga NFT or non-fungible token, no, na tumataas yung value over time. Yung cryptocurrency. I'm sure narinig nyo na yung Bitcoin, yung mga Ethereum, no, na akala natin scam, pero ngayon, no, it's a very very valuable na mga digital assets sa ngayon, di ba? Dito sa negosyo na to, pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro ka, pwede kang kumita habang natutulog ka. Mamaya, malalaman nyo kung paano yan, no? Itong negosyo na to ay pwede ring ipamana, i-transfer, no? Pwede natin iwan na sa legacy to the members of our family. At ang importante dito, yung negosyo na to is 100% mobile business. Hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng opisina. Yung mobile phone mo lang sapat na dahil dyan mo nagagawin lahat ng transaction mo dito sa negosyo na to, no? If those information are exciting you already, don't be dahil marami pa tayong dapat malaman dito. Pero tulad ng sabi ko kanina, buksan nyo po yung isipan nyo because when we open our mind, we learn new skills, we learn new options, and we appreciate the opportunities that are coming our way. Sabi nga nila, ng mga pinaka-successful na tao sa mundo, what separates you and the things that you want in life is your willingness to change your mindset. It's all about the mindset. Okay? So buksan natin ang isipan natin. Today, I will show you what the company is all about. I will show you the powerful products na makakatulong sa negosyo natin. I will show you kung paano tayo kikita at papakita ko rin sa inyo kung paano kayo magsisimula dito sa negosyo. Right, let's start with the company. The name of the company is C1. Isa po itong affiliate marketing company na tulad ng very similar to Uber, to Amazon, and Booking.com. Ano bang pagkakapareho nila? Ang Uber po at Amazon at Booking.com, meron ba silang sariling produkto? The answer is wala, no? Si Uber walang sariling taxi, but every time you book a taxi through the Uber platform, part of the money na binabayad mo doon sa taxi na pupunta kay Uber. Every time you use Amazon to purchase a product, no? Hindi naman Amazon yung brand ng product, di ba? Bumili ka ng Adidas, ng Nike, no? Yung binabayad mo kay Nike at Adidas, part of that na pupunta kay Amazon. Nag-book ka ng holiday mo, nag-book ka ng hotel through Booking.com, walang sariling hotel ang Booking.com, pero yung part ng payment mo sa hotel na pupunta kay Booking.com, no? Imagine worldwide yan, di ba? So, ang laki ng kinikita nila, million. Ang C1 din, walang sariling produkto, pero meron siyang napaka-powerful na online marketing platform na pag ginamit ng iba't ibang company, no? Kumikita si C1, pero si C1, imbis na sarili niya yung kita, binigyan niya tayo ng opportunity to become his partner, no? Pwede naman siya mag-hire na lang ng mga marketing people, di ba? Wala na sakit ng ulo, pero ginawa pa niya, binigyan tayo ng opportunity to be his partners para magkaroon tayo ng isang sustainable na business opportunity para sa lahat. No, gustong tulungan ng company yung humanity by thriving, to thrive, no, by enabling everyone the chance of success. And most recently, no, dahil nandito na tayo sa digital world na tinatawag, nag-diversify na rin yung company, nag-innovate sila, and now they are giving us access to such exciting technologies tulad ng cryptocurrency, ng Web3, ng NFT, at ng virtual gaming, etc., etc., etc. Sabi nga ni Deli Atay-Atayan, di ba? Now, more about the company. Nagsimula tayo in 2019. We are now celebrating our 5th year anniversary, and we are 5 years strong. We now have more than 50 million affiliates worldwide in more than 185 countries today. Ganun tayo kalakas, no? Ganun tayo kasakalam kung sinasabi nga nila, di ba? And to celebrate our 5th year anniversary, nag-release yung company nung tinatawag na C1 Magazine Anniversary Edition. Meron na tayong C1 Magazine, but this is different. This is Anniversary Edition because this is featuring our biggest and most powerful product na ilo-launch ng company very, very soon. And that is the C1 token. And today, you will have a chance to have your hand on that C1 magazine, no? Kung nakapag-invite kayo, and mamaya, mamimigay tayo niyan, no? Later on, this is worth 50 C1 token, no? So, pamimigay lang po natin yan after this presentation. Makinig lang po kayo mabuti, okay? Now, more about the company. Ang ating pong founder is Jonas Erik Werner, a visionary from Sweden. Isa po siyang IT expert na meron ng more than 25 years of successful entrepreneurial experience. Nandiyan din po ang ating interim CEO, si Martin Blisma from Netherlands, no? Siya po ang kapartner ni founder Jonas Erik Werner, no, to steer this company for many more years of success. Right? Now, let's talk about the powerful products and services. Ang company po natin is tapping into the top industries in the world. Unang-una, yung ngayon, no, yung NFT trading tsaka yung gaming, di ba? Ang daming tao ngayon are so into gaming, into trading, yung mga forex, yung mga stocks, no? Pero ngayon, ang pinaka-top talaga sa trading yung crypto, di ba? So, meron tayong mga gaming platforms na tinatawag na PlanetIX at Metaverse that allows us to earn in cryptocurrency, no? So, yung PlanetIX and Metaverse are blockchain-based strategy game. Mamaya magpapakita ko niya ng video sa inyo para maintindihan nyo what PlanetIX and Metaverse is all about. The company is also tapping into the mobile gaming industry. Yung mga games katulad ng mga Candy Crush. We have Rebel Nation who have given us the Emperor Knights, no? Nandyan din po ang online education through Mindo and Tigra. Nandyan po ang travel and lifestyle through Travelia. And of course, yung upcoming products natin, yung C1 Wallet and C1 Token, which will, no, make our company tap into the biggest industry in the world, yung cryptocurrency na tinatawag. Okay? Lahat yan nakapaloob dito sa ating wonderful and exciting business opportunity. So, unahin natin yung gaming platform natin, no, na meron tayong opportunity para kumita ng malaki in the form of cryptocurrency, no? Yung PlanetIX yung Metaverse. I'll show you 2 videos, magkasunod po yan, that will explain to you what PlanetIX and Metaverse is all about. Okay? So, sit back and relax, pump up the volume of your computer or your phone para ma-appreciate nyo po itong napakagandang video na prepare sa inyo ng company.
The year is 450 after Earth. Agents of change have unknowingly returned to their former home. They call it Planet IX, a world destroyed, full of ancient ruins and wastelands. Their mission is simple: restore, rebuild, and resurrect. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game, offering a fun and challenging path to earn rewards in the game's own currency, IX token. The game went on-chain in November 2021 and has since experienced strong growth. Planet IX is currently ranked as a leading game across all blockchains, with more than 100,000 wallets connected daily and over 220,000 wallets holding IXT. The game consists of 4 hubs, all integrated to create a dynamic user experience, catering to a broad audience. Trade and build. Planet IX is a digital rendition of Earth, divided into 1.7 billion hexagons called PIX, each one a tradable NFT. Collect PIX with the aim to form territories by connecting a number of adjacent PIX on the map, as territories unlocks IXT rewards. PIX can be acquired directly on Planet IX's own marketplace or in special packs. In Marketplace, you may also trade other in-game assets. Assets to be used strategically in the part of the game called Mission Control. Farm and play to earn. In Mission Control, you can monetize your assets when placing picks on land tiles. The tiles will start producing waste, which can be collected either manually or through time-saving technology like drones and rovers. In Planet IX, waste serves as a valuable resource that can be converted to consumable assets, which are needed to build facilities. Facilities produce energy, the ultimate asset in Mission Control, as energy can be spent on exclusive packs or staked for IXT rewards. All in-game assets are NFTs that you own and monetize. This is Planet IX's free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanic. Staking and DeFi. As you start building territories or producing energy, you can head over to IX Foundation, Planet IX's GameFi platform. Here you may lock up your collected assets to earn IXT. IX Foundation also offers staking rewards for staking IXT, as well as providing liquidity. Creating a natural landing page for anyone who owns or is interested in IXT, gamer or not. Gaming and esports. Whether you want to enjoy just a casual game or a multiplayer competitive one, visit the IX Arena. IX Arena is funded by revenues generated from Marketplace and Mission Control, and by playing the games, you have the chance to earn IXT. This provides an excellent opportunity for new players, as you can use your winnings to explore the full Planet IX experience in Marketplace, Mission Control, and IX Foundation. To find out more about Planet IX and start playing, head over to planetix.com.
So that's Planet IX, no? The number one Polygon blockchain-based strategy game sa buong mundo sa ngayon, no? 2 years lang tayo, for the last 2 years we have been dominating that industry, no? Ang objective, bumili, magbenta at mag-trade ng mga virtual real estate property and of course yung mga digital assets o yung mga NFT na tinatawag, no? The next one is called Metaverse. It's an upcoming product na ilo-launch ng company very soon. This is promising to become even bigger than Planet IX. So, tignan nyo po kung ano itong Metaverse na ito.
Enter a world where you call the shots, where you make the decisions, where you reap the benefits, where your trading skills are your superpowers. The most immersive virtual trading game in the multiverse. From a global crew of designers and the best game developers in the world. Learn, trade, interact, grow. Play to earn right now in real time. With powerful virtual trading portfolios. The game of the future, with the edge of crypto and the blockchain. It's the start of a revolutionary new world. The world of Metaverse. Your new superpower.
So just like Planet IX, no, the objective is to buy, sell, and trade, no? Pero this time, ang binebenta, tine-trade dito mga virtual stocks, no, that from virtual companies that are only existing and in the metaverse, no. Nagkaroon na po ng beta testing tong game na to at malapit na pong i-launch ng ating company ito. Okay? So now we proceed to the travel and lifestyle product ng ating company, itong tinatawag na Travelia, no? Isa po itong hotel booking engine tulad ng booking.com, ng hotel.com at ng Agoda that gives us access to more than 400,000 hotels and resorts, resort accommodations worldwide, no? This is promising to become the #1 travel portal in the world, no? Which will give us tremendous discounts in our travels, no, and holiday accommodations, no? Para malaman nyo kung paano ito, let me show you another 1-minute video. Ayun, di ba? Makakatipid na tayo. Up to 65% po ang pwedeng maibigay sa inyo ni Travelia if you're a subscriber of Travelia Plus na tinatawag, no? But you can also have Travelia for free, no? Pero hanggang 10 to 15% discount lang ang makukuha nyo when you book your hotels through Travelia. Okay? Now, let's talk about the upcoming products. Ito po yung mga pinaka-exciting na products na paparating from the company, no? At malapit na po ito. This time, the company will be tapping into the cryptocurrency world. Bakit? Dahil nakita natin, no, yung success story ng Bitcoin na tinatawag, di ba? Who amongst you have heard of Bitcoin for the first time? No? Kailan nyo narinig yung Bitcoin for the first time? No? Ako way back in 2009. Sabi sa akin ng kaibigan ko, mag-invest tayo sa Bitcoin, no? Kasi mura pa, sabi niya. Ako, sabi ko, baka scam yan, no? That was in 2009. Naalala ko ang value pa ng isang Bitcoin, 0.001 of a dollar, no? Ibig sabihin, wala pang piso. That time yata, mga 46 po ang exchange rate natin, no? So, wala pang piso ang value ng isang Bitcoin, no? Pero kinatakutan ko, no? I doubted it, no? Pero tingnan natin ano nangyari sa Bitcoin from 2009 to 2024. Ngayon po, ang value na ng isang Bitcoin umabot na ng $65,000. So kung bumili ka ng isang Bitcoin in 2009 sa halagang wala pang piso, no? Ngayon, meron ka ng naging $65,000 na sana yung pera mo. Ibig sabihin, multimillionaire ka na. No? Wala. Nauna yung takot, nauna yung duda, no? So, mapapasana all ka na lang, di ba? And it is predicted na by 2030, uaabot po ng $100,000 po ang value ng isang Bitcoin. Baka nga hindi na umabot ng 2030 dahil ngayon pa lang pong 2024, umabot na ng $65,000. Baka next year, umabot na po yan ng $100,000 ang isang Bitcoin. No? So, it's way ahead of the prediction kung ano yung mangyayari sa Bitcoin. Kaya naramdaman po ng company the necessity, no, to launch our very own crypto token, no, para masakayan natin yung popularity and yung value ng mga popular na cryptocurrencies sa ngayon, no. So they came up of course with the C1 token, pero bago yung C1 token, the company will introduce first yung C1 wallet, yung paglalagyan ng C1 token natin. The C1 wallet is a global wallet system connected to the Web3 and Metaverse. Ito ang magiging secure storage ng C1 token natin, ng mga NFT na kinikita natin, no, dito sa negosyo, and other powerful cryptocurrencies. Para lang tong Coins.ph, Binance, o yung MetaMask, no, at marami pang iba na pwede yung i-download yung app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Okay? But of course, ang pinaka-importante yung C1 token. We need to get ready for this because the company is giving us the biggest opportunity to take our place as pioneers of this business. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung pioneer? Ibig sabihin, nauna tayo. It's a ground floor opportunity. No? Alam mo naman, pag nauna, di ba? Sabi nga nila, nung nag-ambo ng kagwapuhan ng Diyos, nauna si Sir Anton sa pila. No? Kaya tignan nyo naman, gwapong-gwapo, di ba? Pero this time, with this opportunity, kailangan mauna tayo dun sa pila. We need to prepare ourselves for the grand launching of the C1 token. Para bago pa mag-launch, meron ka na, di ba? So, bakit nga ba importante yung C1 token? Because this is going to be one of the most valuable token pool in the world. Ang target po ng company, no? And yung company po, never pa nag-miss out sa kanilang goal or target, no? Ang company's target po is to become the most valuable Polygon blockchain na token in the world. At mangyayari po yan katulad na nangyari sa Planet IX. We are also aiming to become one of the top 5 cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin and Ethereum. At alam nyo ba kung bakit confident tayo na mangyari yan? Kasi when Bitcoin and Ethereum came out, wala pa siyang captive market. Wala pang market. Di ba? Lahat nga ng tao nagduda pa sa kanya, di ba? Pero ngayon, meron na tayong captive market. Cryptocurrency established. And much more, meron na tayong more than 50 million affiliate ang C1, no? Na ready nang gumamit ng C1 token, no? Atat na nga, naiihina sa kahihintay about C1 token. We're very excited about it, di ba? So, paano tayo magkakaroon ng C1 token? The only way for now to have a C1 token is to become part of this business at magkaroon kayo nitong tinatawag ng mga C1 NFT element packages natin, which is Earth, Air, Water, at Fire. Let me explain to you what those packages are. Pagka kumuha ka ng Earth package for only 129 euros or 8 to 9,000 pesos, magmamay-ari ka na ng kauna-unahan mong NFT or non-fungible token. Pag sinabi mong non-fungible token, irreplaceable, ibig sabihin hindi pwedeng mapalitan, it's unique, it's limited edition. For example, konti lang kayo na merong may-ari niyan. Ibig sabihin yung value niyan will increase over time because it is a valuable digital asset, no? Of course, nandyan pa yung Metaverse, yung Planet IX, pero pinaka-importante, no? Pag launch ng C1 token natin, the company will already give you 1,000 C1 tokens to start with. Di ba? Pero kung gusto mo naman ng mas maraming C1 token at mas malaking package, nandyan po yung Air package natin for only 319 euros, 20 to 22,000, dalawang NFT na ang ibibigay sa'yo ng company, including the Air NFT, plus you get 2,500 C1 tokens. Gusto pa ng mas malaki, nandyan yung Water package, 50 to 55,000 pesos or 819 euros. You will also get the Water NFT, kasama yung Air tsaka Earth, tatlo na yan, meron kang 7,500 C1 tokens. Tapos, yung Fire package natin for only 150 to 160,000 or 2,519 euros, hawak mo na ang apat na makapangyarihan, no, na Earth, Air, Water, at Fire NFT natin. Ibig sabihin, you can maximize your potential income dito sa negosyo natin. And not only that, you will also get 20,000 C1 tokens. Ang dami kaya niyan, no? Tingnan natin yung value niyan mamaya, di ba? So, apat na malalaking packages ang pwede natin pagpilian para masimulan itong negosyo na to. If you are to ask me, ano yung pinakamagandang package? Of course, sasabihin ko yung Fire package. Dahil, with your Fire package, may kamahalan nga lang, pero ma-maximize mo yung potential income mo, di ba? Total, magne-negosyo ka na rin lang, seryosohin mo na, di ba? Yung Fire package tayo. Pero, kung meron kang problema sa budget or can't afford ka, no, doon sa mga mas malaking package, nandiyan naman yung Earth package, no, para makapagsimula tayo, and then trabahuhin mo, pagka kumikita ka na, you can always upgrade to the bigger package hanggang makuha mo yung Fire package na yan, no. Ang importante, makapagsimula ka, no, kasi with an Earth package, you can start earning a lot of money na rin dito sa negosyo natin. Okay? Now, the company has launched a special package, no, para sa hindi pa rin kaya yung 8 to 9,000 pesos o yung 129 euros. The company has launched a special Earth package, but this is only for a limited period of time. 1 month lamang po, no? I think this is only until April 4, no? 79 euros lamang po ito. Ang bibigay sa iyo 500 na C1 token, isang NFT, at meron ka rin mga binary, rank points, at meron ka ding 3 times C1 token based multiplier, no? Imu-multiply ng 3 times yung number of C1 token mo. So napakaganda rin po, no? If you have this special Earth 79 euros. Ito po para sa mga talagang merong problema sa budget, no? So again, hanggang April 4 lamang po itong special Earth package natin. Now, the company has also launched a great promotion ang good news po, no, dito po pwedeng ibibigay sa atin ng company yung free upgrade to the next bigger package. So halimbawa, bumili ka ng Earth package. Ang ibibigay sa iyo ng company, imbis na Earth, yung Air. No, nakatipid ka ng malaki. Pagka bumili ka naman ng Air package, ang ibibigay sa iyo ng company, yung water. Okay? Pagka bumili ka ng water package, ang bibigay sa iyo ng company, yung fire. Pagka bumili ka ng fire package, ang bibigay sa iyo ng company, Fifth Element limited edition na NFT package natin na maglalaman pa ng 2 additional legendary NFT and you get an extra 15,000 C1 token. Sa fire, meron kang 20,000. Sa Fifth Element, meron kang 35,000 C1 token. Yun yung good news. Ang bad news, hanggang bukas na lang po itong promotion na ito. No? So, if you are ready, nakita niyo yung potential ng negosyo ngayon after my presentation, and ready ka na, then grab the opportunity. Sayang din yung napakalaking pera na matitipid mo with this great promotion ng company. Now, bakit importante na mag-grab mo yung opportunity until tomorrow? No? 3 days pa pala, no? Kasi 18 pa lang today. Meron ka pa 3 days to grab this opportunity. But after the 21st, pagdating po ng 22nd, no? Iba na, no? Yung 1,000 C1 token na makukuha mo sa Earth, magiging 750 na lang. From Air na 2,500, magiging 1,875 na lang. Yung 35,000 na C1 token sa Fifth Element, magiging 26,250. So, down by 25%. Kaya nga may advantage tayong mga binigyan ng company to become pioneers nitong C1 token na to, no? Kasi, papalapit na tayo dun sa launching time, no? Kaya, meron tayong opportunity to collect as much C1 token as we can. Okay? Now, another opportunity na binibigay sa atin ng company para to power up, to charge up yung C1 token natin, mas marami, mas maganda before the launching, no, para pag-launch nito, no, ready ka na, di ba? So the company has introduced this power bundle simula nung March 14 po, no? Meron kang pagkakataon na bumili nitong power bundle na to, no? Depende kung ano yung bibilin mo. You have the Earth power bundle, you have the water, the Fifth Element, the fire, the air power bundle, no? Naglalaman po ito ng additional na mga C1 tokens para sa atin. Let's look at the Earth power bundle, no? For only 99 euros, the company will give you additional 1,000 C1 token. For an Air power bundle, for only 219 euros, you get 2,500 C1 token. For the water power bundle, meron kang, it's only for 489 euros, you get 7,500 C1 token. For the fire power bundle, 1,259 euros, meron kang 20,000 C1 token. For Fifth Element power bundle, for 1,649 euros, you get 35,000 C1 token. Bakit importante na magpadami ka ng C1 token mo, di ba? Importante yan. Now, with the power bundle, no, hindi lang C1 token na makukuha mo, makakakuha ka rin dyan ng business points saka nung rank booster points na rin tawag, no? From 40 to 660 na business points and from 99 to 1,649 na rank booster points. Mamaya po, pag in-explain ko na yung compensation plan, the business points and the rank booster points will make sense to you. Okay? Kaya, importante po na magkaroon tayo ng mga power bundle na yan aside doon sa mga Element NFT packages natin. Okay? Right. So, bakit ba importante na mag-collect na tayo ng maraming C1 tokens? Okay? So, imagine if you have an Earth package with 1,000 C1 tokens. Pag-launch ng C1 token, hindi natin inaasahan na mataas kagad ang value niyan. Sabihin natin na mababa pa rin. Katulad ng Bitcoin. Nag-launch siya, wala pang piso yung value niya, di ba? Sabihin natin yung C1 token natin pag-launch, wala pa ring piso. Lagay na natin sa piso, di ba? Kung meron kang 1,000 C1 tokens, meron kang 1,000 pesos agad. Di ba? Pero I don't want you to look at the now. Look at the future. What if in 1 to 2 years time, yung value ng C1 token, dahil sa dami ng gumamit niya at dahil nakilala na rin yung C1 token, ay umabot na lang ng $1. Ibig sabihin yung 1,000 pesos mo naging $1,000. Kung meron kang Fifth Element package, edi 35 C1 tokens yan, no? Yung 35,000 C1 tokens mo naging $35,000. So don't look at now, look at the future, no? Ganyan po dapat tayo mag-isip pagdating sa negosyo natin o sa mga investments natin, no? So that's why it's important to have as many C1 tokens as you have before the C1 token is even launched. Malapit na po yan, kaya wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa, no? So whatever happened to Bitcoin will also happen to C1 token, no? Maaari hindi natin mapantayan yung Bitcoin, no? Kasi napakataas na ng value niya. Pero what if, no? Umabot lang ng $10 yung value ng C1 token after 5 years. Edi yung 1,000 pesos mo naging magkano na? $10,000 na yan, di ba? So, ganyan po ang potential and possibilities na mangyari dito sa C1 token natin. Now, if you still don't own an Element package, para po doon sa mga old members natin, no? Meron tayong tatlong option to claim, no, yung mga C1 token ninyo, no, through your C1 rewards or your loyalty points. Yung first option, wala kang babayaran, libre. Basta ano ka lang, no? I-claim mo lang yung C1 token mo, but you can only claim 10% no, based on the conversion of the C1 rewards and the loyalty points. Yung second option natin, magbayad ka ng 19 euros na reactivation fee. Hindi lang ibibigay sa iyo ng company yung full C1 token based on the conversion of the C1 rewards and loyalty points, dodoblehin pa yan ng company. Third option is even better. Pag nag-upgrade ka to Element Pack after paying the 19 euros reactivation fee, the company will give you a multiplier depending on the package that you purchase. Pagka Earth, meron kang 3 times multiplier. Pagka Air, 4 times. Pagka Water, 6 times. Pagka Fire, 8 times. Pagka Fifth Element, meron kang 10 times multiplier, which will give you more C1 token. Okay? Now, aside from the passive income, nakikitain nyo dun sa C1 token, no, doon wala kang ginagawa. No? Kung meron ka lang C1 token, meron ka nang kikitain passive income. Aside from that, meron pang mga additional bonuses na pwede kang kitain if you work on the business, no? If you work on the business. Ang tawag namin dito, referral lang, no? Ganun lang kasimple, magre-refer ka lang ng mga kaibigan mo, ng mga kakilala mo, kamag-anak mo, no? To become part of this business, kung gusto rin nila magkaroon ng C1 token, and then they can also refer their friends and families, no? Referral lang. This is something that we do on a daily basis. Nakapanood ka ng isang magandang pelikula, anong ginagawa mo? Pinopost mo sa Facebook, nire-recommend mo sa mga kaibigan mo. Pero binabayaran ka ba ng producer? Binabayaran ka ba ng Netflix? Hindi, di ba? Pero nag-recommend ka, kumita sila, ikaw hindi, di ba? Pero dito sa negosyo natin, no, i-refer mo yung business natin, then you'll make money. 4 different kinds of bonuses, actually 5 pa yan, no? Pero bibigay ko na lang sa inyo yung highlight, no? You can earn sales bonus and babayaran ka ng company in the form of Bitcoin, no? Pagka nag-refer ka ng mga kaibigan mo na nag-subscribe sa Planet IX and Travelia, you get sales bonus. Ngayon, yung pangalawa, yung crowd bonus. This is the part where we need to share the opportunity to as many people as we can. Mag-invite ka ng mga kaibigan mo. Yung mga nirefer mo, once they become part of the business, ilalagay ng company sa system mo, di-divide yan sa left and right mo, no? Depending on the package that they purchase, nakaka-earn ka ng mga business points na tinatawag, no? Naalala nyo yung kanina, may mga business points, di ba? And then, the company compensates you in the form of Bitcoin. O pwede mo i-convert yan into euros din. You get 11 euros for every matching, no? Matching referrals in the left and the right. Yan yung minimum, no? Kung Earth package lang kinuha nila, pag mas malaking package pa kinuha nila, mas malaki pa sa 11 euros yung kikitain mo, di ba? And ang maganda dito, hindi ka lang binabayaran sa referrals mo, binabayaran ka din sa referral ng referral mo at ng referral 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 at ng referral mo, no? From the top to the bottom, babayaran ka ng company. Pangatlong klaseng bonus, yung matching bonus natin, kung saan binibigyan ka pa ng extra 10% na bonus ng company. Depende kung magkano yung kinikita ng mga taong nirefer mo directly. Halimbawa, nag-refer ka ng 10 tao na kumita ng tigo 100 euros. E di meron kang 10 euros sa bawat isa, multiply by 10, meron kang 100 euros. Diba? Sino nagtrabaho? Sila, pero meron kang 10% dahil kumita sila ng tigo 100 euros. No, yan po yung matching bonus na tinatawag, no? An opportunity again to earn a residual income, no? So pag nag-holiday ka later on, no, wala kang ginagawa about the business, pero yung mga nirefer mo, nagtatrabaho dahil gusto nilang kumita, no? Kumita sila, magkakaching yung cellphone mo. Ibig sabihin, kumita ka ng 10% from their income. Lastly, yung monthly residual bonus, probably the most exciting bonus na pwede mong tanggapin dito sa negosyo. Every month po, bibigyan tayo ng company ng pagkakataon to have a share in a profit pool tinatawag, no? Yung 40% po na kinikita ng company on product sales worldwide, no? Ilalagay ng company sa isang profit pool na tinatawag. Mapakahon yan, mababasket yan, lahat yan ilalagay sa isang basket, no? Tapos maghahati-hatian natin lahat yan. Pero nakadepende ito kung ano yung rank mo o network leadership level na tinatawag. Pwede ka kasi maging team leader, coordinator, manager, director, president, senior president, at ambassador level. The higher your position is, mas malaking matatanggap mong residual income every month. Parang pension plan mo na ito. Pag nasa mababa ka, team leader to manager, hindi pa ganun kalaki yan, pero at least meron na. Pero pag umabot ka ng director hanggang ambassador, no, substantial na yung income na makukuha mo on a monthly basis, no? So, parang pension plan, di ba? So, you get a share of the profit of the company all over the world, no? Kaya napakaganda po. Ang maganda pa dito, wala kang deranking at demotion. Ibig sabihin, once you reach a certain position na director, hindi ka nababagsak uli ng manager at coordinator or team leader, no? Dire-diretso ka na lang, paakyat ka na lang ng paakyat. So nakukuha mo yung monthly residual income na pataas siya ng pataas, di ba? So yan po yung apat na major compensation na pwede natin makuha o yung mga bonuses na pwedeng ibigay sa atin ng company using the referral system of our business. Okay? Now, there are other ways to collect more C1 tokens. Meron tayong doon sa referral club, sa referral business natin, magpaparamihan tayo ng referrals, no? So meron tayong referral club competition, padamihan ito for a period of 1 month. For the month of March, for example, no, magbibigay yung company ng 5 million C1 tokens sa paghahati-hatian ng mga top referees, no, yung mga nagre-refer, no. Pag nag-place ka into the top 10, for example, you have a chance to earn mga 1 million C1 tokens dyan, no. So napakalaki po ng opportunity natin. Pero ito, para makuha natin yung mga bonuses natin, kailangan meron tayong tinatawag na mga activity points, no? At ang activity points po na generate natin from subscribing to the products and services ng ating company. Remember, we are partners of the company, no? We are partners in the business. The product has to move or nobody gets paid. At sino mag-move ng product? Tayo. So tulungan natin yung company, no? Magkaroon tayo ng activity points. How do we go about it? Yung company po is requiring us to have a personal activity points and group activity points depending in your rank or position. Pagka team leader ka hanggang coordinator 3, nire-require lang tayo ng company ng 5 activity points personal, no? Nire-require din tayo ng 5 group activity points. So ibig sabihin yung personal mo enough na, no? So pag manager ka naman to director, to ambassador, tumataas yung required na group activity points pero hindi tumataas yung required na personal activity points. Pareho lang po yan. Okay? So, yan lang po ang kailangan natin para makuha natin lahat ng mga bonuses natin at napakasimple and doable naman po yan. Now, how do we generate activity points? Nandyan po pwede tayo mag-subscribe kay Planet IX, MetaShare, AstroCap, no? Pwedeng 1 month, 6 months, 12 months. 99 euros, 569, tsaka 1,069 euros. You get 5 activity points for every month, no? Mag 6 months, you get 5 activity points every month. Pag 12 months, you get 5 activity points for 12 months. So, hindi mo na problema yung for the whole month mo, no? Or for the whole year mo, no? So, aside from the activity points, you also earn sales bonus, residual bonus, dyan sa subscription natin kay Planet IX. You can also subscribe to the Travelia Plus na tinatawag, no? Pwede rin 1 month, 6 months at 12 months, and you get 5 activity points for every single month na meron kang subscription. Okay? So, dyan tayo pwede mag-generate ng activity points natin. Now, there is a roadmap sa launching ng ating C1 token at malapit na po yan. First, ilo-launch ng company within the next few weeks or months, no, itong Web3 wallet natin. At syempre, kasunod na yung global launch ng ating C1 token and its integration to the ecosystem. Tapos yung pagpasok natin dun sa global listing natin o exchange natin, no? So, napakalapit na, malapit na po yan. It's just around the corner, kaya wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. So lahat ng information ay naibigay ko na sa inyo at sana po ay naintindihan nyo itong opportunity na ino-offer namin sa inyo, no? However, information does not stop there, no? Marami tayong mga pwedeng panggalingan ng additional information para kung gusto mo maintindihan ng mabuti itong negosyo. We have YouTube tutorials, nandiyan yung Zoom presentations natin on a daily basis, nandiyan din yung online education platform natin like Mindo and yung Tigra, no? And of course, more information on our C1 dashboard, no? Ina-update ng company palagi yan, no? Even the CEO and the founder, meron silang weekly update para sa atin. Okay? So all those training programs are designed for you to understand, no, and become an expert in this business opportunity, whatever your background is. Huwag mo sabihing, ay hindi, doktor ako, hindi ako pwede dyan sa negosyo na yan, no? I'm a nurse, but I am doing this business opportunity, no? Meron dyan mga accountant, meron dyan mga engineer, may mga architect, no? Who are successful in this business opportunity. How do you get started? All you need to do is to join C1, no? The company will, the one who invited you will send you an invitation link or a QR code so you can sign up, and then you can purchase your package, no? At gamitin mo yung mga produkto at serbisyo mo. Number 2, share the products. Huwag mo ipagkait, no? Mag-build ka ng customer base mo. And number 3, pakita din natin itong plan, no? Let's show the plan. Let's show the opportunity. Dahil maraming mga tao ngayon ang nangangailangan ng ganitong klaseng opportunity. And if you become an active and productive affiliate dito sa negosyo na to, sinisigurado ko sa inyo that the company will give you a lot of incentives and bonuses. Okay? That's how you join this business opportunity. So, no? Now, we brought you to the most important part of our presentation, no? It's for you to make your decision whether you want this business opportunity to become part of your plans, no, in the future, di ba? Sabi nga nila, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Whatever you are doing now, whatever you are feeling with what you are doing now, or whatever, whether you are a failure or a success right now, or how you feel about it, it's because of the decisions you made 5 to 10 years ago. And whatever your decisions will be today will have a great impact in your life 5 to 10 years from now. No, if you're looking for a change, then sabi nga ni John Maxwell, no, you'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. Which makes sense, di ba? Kung nurse ka, ang ginagawa mong araw-araw ay pumasok sa trabaho, no? Tapos uwi ka sa bahay, tapos pasok ka ulit sa ospital the next day, no? Imposible magbago yung buhay mo. Pareho lang yan araw-araw, no? Kung magkano sinesweldo mo everyday, ganun pa rin yung sisweldohin mo, no? Kasi wala ka namang ginagawang bago, di ba? What matters is what you do outside your current work. Kung 9 to 5 ka nagtatrabaho, anong ginagawa mo from 5 o'clock hanggang maggabi, di ba? Kumikita ka ba doon? Kung hindi, then wala kang additional income, di ba? So, paano mo mararating yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay? So, don't expect a different result kung pareho lang naman ang ginagawa mo on a daily basis. If you want change, then you need to change, no? Whatever you're doing need to change. Okay? So, nandito po yung opportunity sa harapan natin. Binibigay sa atin ng C1, binibigay sa atin ng C1 token. Sabi ni Ken Poiro, no? Today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow that you want. You don't build your tomorrow tomorrow. You build it today. Diba? At huwag ka magpatumpik-tumpik dahil time and positioning is very important pagdating sa ganitong klaseng opportunity. Get started now. Contact the person who invited you to this meeting, no? Ask them for the QR code or the invitation link, no? At maisend nila sa inyo yan. Thank you for joining us today. Ito po muli si Paul D. Guzman na nagsasabing daig ng maagap ang masipag. Thank you very much po.
Ayun, grabe, no? Maraming salamat, Sir Paul, no? What a powerful, amazing, fantastic, no? Business presentation na ginawa.